Hi, I'm Gary with Family Handyman, and today we're having a sewer liner put in. It's a way of repairing the pipe that carries waste from your house out to the street. It's a great alternative to digging up the front yard. It's a simple three-step process. You start with a good thorough cleaning of the pipe, install a liner, and then cure it with hot water.
So basically what we're doing is we're rehabilitating the sewer without digging anything up at all. We're going right through a clean out and basically making you your own plastic pipe on site that perfectly fits inside of your pipe currently, stopping any root growth, any infiltration. So we start by cleaning it and using our camera to get a hard measurement to know exactly where we're going. We then take the tools outside, we lay them out on the sidewalk, we lay a liner next to it, we build this liner to suit your sewer. We take a 2-part resin that we mix on site, we put that inside the liner, we saturate the liner with that resin, we bring it inside, we put it inside of a big drum that we call an inversion tank or a launch tank. We wind it inside of there. We use air pressure to turn that thing inside out and shoot it down into the line. After the liner's in place, we then blow in a cal tube, a calibration tube. Once that's inside, we fill that with hot water that we use a boiler to heat. Once that hot water starts to get to 125 degrees, we wait an hour, then we cool it down, and then we suck all the water out, we pull it out. That 125 degrees gets the epoxy to activate, to kick is what we call it, and then it's hard. We pull everything out, and then you have a brand new sewer inside.
So now we're filling the liner with hot water. We're applying both pressure and raising the temperature of the epoxy to 125 degrees. So then we'll reverse the process, pumping in cold water, driving out the hot, cooling the epoxy, and hardening it. Finally, take out the balloon, and we'll have a new pipe constructed inside the old one. So the end result of this process is right here. It's a pipe within a pipe. This new pipe carries the same rating as Schedule 40 PVC, which is used in a lot of modern construction. Now, this original sewer line lasted 100 years. I expect this one will last a lot longer than that. For more answers to your plumbing problems, visit us at familyhandyman.com.